Have you ever been wondering, I need something different for my home decor? If the answer is yes, then yay, welcome to my channel all about decoupage. Hi, I'm Veronica and I am showing you different kind of decorations like this cute Piggy Easter Egg. So keep watching and I show you step by step how I made this cute laughing Piggy Easter Egg. So I started with classic Styrofoam Easter egg and I painted the Easter egg twice with white paint, let it dry between each layer. If there were any imperfections on the Styrofoam, I just sand them off. I used this cute rice paper with laughing piggies on it, and first I cut out my piggies with water pen. If you don't have water pen, just use small amount of water and small brush. I never do cut out my design with scissors because it gives my design a sharp look and I like it this way better. After I cut out my piggies, I tear up my rice paper in few places. Then I applied little bit of decoupage glue onto the Easter egg and then I glued my rice paper onto the Easter egg with more decoupage glue. When I saw a wrinkle is forming, I just cut a little bit deeper into the rice paper itself, this time with some scissors. If you don't have decoupage glue, of course you can use Mod Podge as well. Just make sure with decoupage glue or Mod Podge not to leave any excess of the glue because that will dry out white, not clear. The same way I glued the other piggy on the other side and let it dry. After my Easter egg was dry, I just painted the whole Easter egg with some acrylic paints. I am going even inside the rice paper for better blending. All materials I use will be listed in description box below. Just please note, I am located in Slovakia, Europe, so most of my link will be European based. A little tip, if you are starting with decoupage, maybe it's better to use some plastic egg or acrylic egg because that will have less imperfection than these styrofoam kind of eggs. With some brush, a little bit of water and paint, I am applying different sizes of dots onto my Easter egg, somehow to mimic the design it was on the rice paper. After everything is dry, I am applying my glitter decoupage glue. Of course, this step is fully optional and you don't have to do it if you don't have glitter decoupage glue. After the glue is dry, I am using pouring glaze to seal my eggs. Of course, you can use varnish as well. I applied 4 layers of the glaze, let it dry between each layer, and then I am just putting a little bit of air drying clay onto my Easter egg. And since my rice paper with my piggies reminded me somehow like the piggy is taking a bath or a bubble bath, so I am putting different sizes of bubbles onto my Easter egg. After the clay part was dry, I am painting it with acrylic paints and wiping off any excess of the paint with wet towel to get like more rustic, shabby chic look on my egg. After everything is painted, I let it dry. And after it is dry, it was time to seal the clay part. So I am using matte varnish. Of course, you can use glossy one as well. The varnish is water-based. For a little bit of shimmer, I am using wax paste on my Easter egg. Of course, you don't have to do it if you don't like to use wax paste on your designs. And if you do, just make sure you are wearing gloves, because this part, it will get a little bit messy. And here it is all finished, my cute Piggy Easter egg, and every time I look at it, I have to smile because the piggy is so cute smiling. It makes me smile as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do give me a thumbs up or a nice comment. Please do subscribe to my channel or check out my other social media or even my Etsy shop. Until next time, bye!